Good morning dear students. Today I will discuss with you topic retail trade. Retail trade means buying and selling of goods and services in small quantities. Retailer purchases goods from wholesaler and sell them to the customer according to their requirements. So here retailer work like a mediator between wholesaler and consumers. Retail trade is done by retailer in different ways. Firstly, like door-to-door selling. Retailer can sell goods to the consumers personally by going to the door of the customer. Telephonically also this trade can be done. Telephonically orders can be received by retailers and goods can be supplied to consumers. One more method is there like AVM, automatic vending machines. Through automatic vending machines also goods are sold to the customers. Example is like the ATM. ATM in banking sector is used to withdraw money. So there are different ways through which goods are sold to the consumers under retail trade. Now I will discuss with you services of retailers. Students, services of retailers are divided into two categories. First, services to wholesalers and manufacturers. Second, services to consumers. So firstly, I am going to discuss with you services of retailers to wholesalers and manufacturers. So students, see the first service of retailers to manufacturers and wholesalers helps to distribution of goods. Retailers help in the distribution of goods. They are directly connected to the consumers. Goods are produced by the manufacturers and they are sold by wholesalers to retailers. Now, retailers supply the goods to the consumers. As consumers are scattered in large geographical area, even then retailers supply goods to the ultimate consumer. So, there is no need to the manufacturers and wholesalers to make any contact to the consumers. Retailers directly sell the goods to the consumer and help in the distribution of goods. Second is personal selling. Retailer also involves in the personal selling activity. They go to the door of consumer and sell them goods and services. In this way, they increases the demand of goods and services, which leads to the more production by manufacturers and more sale by wholesalers. Third is enabling large scale production. Students, as there are retailers to sell goods to the consumers, so there is no need to the manufacturers and wholesaler to contact to the consumers. They are free from the tedious work of contacting to the retailers. They can focus on the important task of production as well as other important task of business. The task of selling goods to the consumer is managed by the retailers. That's why wholesalers and manufacturers are able to focus on large scale production. Next is collecting market information. As retailers are in direct contact with the consumers, so they are having complete information about the consumers. So they supply correct information about the taste, preferences, needs and attitude of consumers to the wholesalers and manufacturers. So this information help manufacturers and wholesalers in making their marketing decisions. Next is help in sales promotion. Students, different type of schemes are launched by wholesalers and manufacturers like discount, rebate, contest as well as free gifts. These schemes can be implemented only because of the presence of retailers. Because retailers are available, that's why these schemes are able to be implemented successfully, which leads to the increase in sales. So these are the services provided by retailers to the manufacturers and wholesalers. First I discussed with you, helps to distribution of goods. Personal selling is there, enabling large scale production, collecting market information, help in sales promotion activities. Now I will discuss with you services of retailers to consumers. So different type of services are provided by retailers to consumers. First is regular availability of goods. Retailers make regular supply of goods to the consumer. At any point of time, consumers are in need of goods. Goods are available with the retailers. So retailers supply a variety of goods to the consumer regularly. Next, new product information. Whenever any new product is launched by any manufacturer, the information about the new product is given by retailer to consumer. What new product is available, what are the prices, and what is the uses of the product. All information is given by retailer to consumer. It helps consumer in making correct choice. Next is convenience in buying. Students, retail shops are mostly open near the residential areas and they keep open for long hours. This is very convenient for the buyers to purchase goods and services. Next is wide selection. Retailers keep a variety of goods of different manufacturers. As a variety of goods is available to retailer, it helps consumers in making a selection. Next service provided by retailer to consumer is after sale services. After sale services are also provided by retailer to consumer like free home delivery and reparation if any defect comes in the goods. So these all after sale services also helps in increase in the sale of products. Next service is provide credit facilities. If any of the customer is not able to make payment in cash to retailer, retailers also provide credit facilities to their trustworthy customers. As credit facilities are available, this also leads to increase in the sales of products. So these are the services provided by retailers to consumers. I discussed with you regular availability of goods, new products information, convenience in buying, wide selection, after sale services, provide credit facilities. So these are the services offered by retailers. Students, I hope today's topic is clear to everyone. Even then, if you have any doubt, discuss with me. Okay, students, thank you.